Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix YouTube videos buffering on Android. So let's see to your YouTube. So once you're there, if you are facing some issues with once you click on a video, it buffers for a while because of your internet connection. So first of all, you have to check your internet connection if you have a stable connection or not. So if you are using Wi-Fi, then change it to your mobile data to get a suitable connection or a stable connection, and make sure to adjust accordingly. And after that, if the problem is still going on, you can go untapped on your YouTube and go to your info icon, and after that go to the storage. Now tap on clear cache, and after clearing your cache you can go to your YouTube again, and let's say we're heading over to this video. And after that you have to go to just tap on the video and you will find this gear icon on the top, and here tap on the quality, and now change the quality to data saver or advanced or auto recommended. So it will adjust according to your internet connection. So yeah, this is how easily you can fix YouTube videos buffering on Android. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.